Want to see your task progress update automatically in Excel? In this video, you'll learn how to create a dynamic view that shows the total number of completed tasks and your completion percentage. All powered by checkboxes. Every time you tick or untick a box, the count and percentage adjust instantly. Let's build it step by step. First, let's start with calculating the total number of completed tasks. When a checkbox is ticked, it will be counted and added to the total. Each time you tick a checkbox, the number increases by 1. If you untick it, the number goes down. To do this, select a cell and type equals COUNTIF, then select the range of cells with checkboxes, add a comma, and type true. This formula counts how many checkboxes are ticked. At first, the result is 0 because no checkboxes are ticked. As you tick more boxes, the total completed task count increases automatically. Now, let's move on to calculating the completion percentage. Use this formula, equals the total completed task value, divided by counta, which counts non-empty cells. Inside the brackets, select the range of all the checkbox cells. Then press Enter. You'll notice the result is a value between 0 and 1. To display it as a percentage, right-click the cell, choose Format Cells, and select Percentage. You can set the decimal places to 0 if you like. Now, your task completion percentage is displayed clearly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more helpful Excel tips. See you in the next video. And remember, learning something new can brighten your day.